Some may recognize him as a person who invented the machine that can prevent milk from spoiling. But is that just that? Louis Pasteur discovered that germs are able to sour alcohol, then came up with the pasteurization technique, which kills bacteria by heating liquids and then allowing them to cool, not only for milk, but also the medical instrument. His germ theory research also led him and his colleagues to develop anthrax and rabies vaccines that help millions of lives. Louis Pasteur was born on December 27, 1822, in Dole, France's Jura area. Pasteur was an ordinary student who excelled at art. He received his Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Science degrees from the Royal College of Bicentennes, as well as his doctorate from the École Normale de Paris. In 1848, he became a professor of chemistry at the University of Strasbourg. Pasteur was trying to solve an issue about the nature of tartaric acid and paratartaric acid, which is a chemical found in the wine sediments, by using the rotation of polarized. This experiment demonstrated that simply analyzing a chemical is insufficient for understanding how it acts. Structure and form are also crucial, which led to the development of the subject of stereochemistry. After succeeding at tartaric acid experiment, unlike other scientists, Louis Pasteur is also playing the main role for science for commercial use. In 1854, Pasteur was appointed professor of chemistry and dean of the science faculty at the University of Lille. He focused on fixing problems related to the production of alcoholic beverages. Using the germ hypothesis, he established that organisms such as bacteria were responsible for the sourness of wine, beer, and even milk. He subsequently developed a method for removing bacteria by boiling and then chilling fluids. This method is known as pasteurization. After that, Pasteur was key to saving the silk industry in 1865. He demonstrated that microorganisms attacked healthy silkworm eggs, causing an unidentified illness. He eventually developed a way to prevent contamination, which was quickly adopted by silk manufacturers all over the world. Starting with saving the wine industry, to saving the silk industry, to saving humanity. Pasteur made his first vaccine breakthrough in 1879, with a condition known as chicken cholera. He established that individuals developed resistance to the virus itself. Pasteur went on to apply his germ theory to the discovery of causes and vaccines for illnesses such as anthrax, cholera, tuberculosis, and smallpox. Pasteur was chosen as an associate member of the Académie de Médecine in 1873. In 1882, the year he was elected to the Académie Française, he chose to concentrate his attention to the rabies disease. Pasteur vaccinated Joseph Meister, a 9-year-old kid who had been bitten by a rabid dog, on July 6, 1885. Pasteur's vaccine success rocketed him to global fame. Pasteur had been partially paralyzed since 1868 as a consequence of a severe brain stroke, yet he was still able to do research. His paralysis worsened at the age of 70, and he died on September 28, 1895. From the discovery of germs theory that could apply and save millions of lives. Without Louis Pasteur, many couldn't have lived until today. His theories rooted in our everyday life, from pasteurized milk to a vaccine,